Third takeaway is do not just quit just because you are broke right now. I understand this because I've been there. Think of other ways to recover from your loans. If there are ways for you to invest more, to do some business, nakautang ka na, pangutang pa. Okay, nangutang ka nga ni parang travel, why not for a business? Bangin, that's the way for you to solve your problem financially. Now, and the other ways for that is to invest in yourself by learning new skills. Uso na yan na ha, online and may mga courses na, may mga free courses pa nga niya YouTube and other platforms. Ikaw makaaram ng bago nga skill and that can help you recover from your financial problems. Do tutorials, do online teaching, damo and ways. And of course, this will require you a sacrifice from your family and yourself. You need to exert more time and effort for you to learn this new skill or to do this other job para makabawi kan imo problema didi. What is a little sacrifice if in fact you are still together? I hope you get my point.